I tried everything. Exercise, sunlight, even a warm milk. But I just can't seem to get up before 10 AM. Although it's so goddamn trendy nowadays. Find a job, work hard, wake up early and make something of your life. I sure hope a bad joke will do it. I have an interview tomorrow morning. And I'm ready to go all out as to not sleep in like a complete idiot. I know that coffee wakes you up, but of course you can't drink it while you sleep. That's why I spend 6 hours on the internet in order to build an alarm clock that pours coffee over me in the morning. It wasn't the most efficient solution. And it's not a long-term one either, because I can't manage to cover my bed in foil every night. That's why I'll need to shoot myself. Start going to sleep earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. The alarm goes off in 15 seconds.
Oh Gott, oh Gott, oh nein.
Yeah, it's me again. I was wondering if you'd be down to sleep at my place tonight, because I'm scared of my alarm clock. You surely want to know how the interview went? But it doesn't matter. I don't need the job. I need sleep.